What's up, everyone? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. Hope y'all are doing well. Hopefully, you had a good day. Apologies about not going live yesterday. Basically, short story. Worked the night before. My son's lower came in for his AR-15. He's been waiting for like 2 months. So he went to the gun store, picked it up, came home, built his AR, and then I went to bed. And I didn't get to bed till like, I don't know, noon or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I slept till pretty late. And then I was planning on getting up early this morning and going live and covering Spy and whatever. But I ended up oversleeping and didn't wake up until after the market opened. So I didn't go live. Anyway, hopefully everybody's doing good. I'm just going to be revealed. I mean, I was talking about this in Keenan's, like, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Like, I feel grumpy. Not really in the mood. Don't know what's wrong with me. I was trying to listen to music and get myself, like, pumped up before I went live, but it didn't really work. So anyway, if I seem like down or what's the word? I don't even know what word to use. I don't know that down is the right word, but if I don't seem like I'm in the greatest mood, it's because I'm not in the greatest mood, and I don't really have a reason. I guess it's just an off day, so whatever. I'm just gonna delete stuff and not really talk about what happened because all of our drawings were for Monday, and I don't really remember what we covered the night before. I am happy that I get to delete some of these older levels that have been on our chart that weren't getting hit, and they finally got hit. All right, and this is going to be a shorter video. I am just going to chart spy. I don't have any option trades just because, what's it called, with Google missing earnings and AMD missing, we're going to probably sell off overnight. And it's going to be hard to predict, where things will open as far as being able to plan trades for tomorrow based on that. Right now, SPY's at 607 cents. And I'm sorry, everybody. I know my energy's off. I apologize. But it is what it is. What's crazy, too, is I should be in a good mood because I bought a new gun yesterday. Go to Tijuana. Triple G's trying to get me killed. I don't know what I did to you, but yeah, I don't feel like getting kidnapped. All right. What's up, Ronnie? What's up, Jeeksters? What's up, Corey? What's up, P. Doan? What's up, Little Mind? What's up, Jack? What's up, Kenny? What's up, Triple G? What's up, Chef? What's up, Sarah? What's up, Nathan? If you guys have questions, hit me now, because I don't really have very much to cover. Please don't request anything, because I'm just not. Oh, I should mention something. I was thinking yesterday, and I don't know if you guys can hear my son's guitar, but he's shredding right now. Sorry, I need to type something really quick. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm sorry. Damn, can you guys hear his guitar? That's crazy. Alright, Club Hong Kong. Damn, Big P. Oh, wow, you guys can hear him. That's crazy. Nice, Alex. That's kind of funny that you guys can hear him. He's downstairs. Thank you, Little Mind. Thank you, Sal. Oh, so I forgot what I was actually saying there for a second. But the other night I was reflecting on some stuff, and probably a lot of you have seen like my beginner to advanced course. I already talked about this. I'm going to be redoing it. Because some things have changed as far as how I trade. I made that video, or those videos, anywhere from like 1 to 2 years ago. And quite a bit has changed just in my trading since then. The other thing that I decided is I'm going to basically do a video or do like a series, setting up Quantower, explaining footprints, like really detailed, right? So I know like Shorty's done classes on footprints. I'm going to go a little bit more in depth where, Shorty will do like whatever, a 3-hour class on footprints. I'll probably be doing like a 10-part like series, hour long, 10 parts, setting up Quantower, setting up your footprints, and then how to read it, what to look for as far as setups, and how to trade using footprints. So that's going to be something I'm going to start working on. I would actually watch this whole area for calls. I would really like to see them come down and tap our single prints and then go. If we come up to the... I doubt this is going to happen just based on, the sell-off, but if we happen to come up to our poor high here, I would look for a break above and then reject down. This is probably a good spot to watch for puts. Volume was pretty trash today. Let's take a look at our news for tomorrow. Alright, so this will be pretty big. 15 minutes before the market opens, we're going to get a big move. And then 9:45 and 10 a.m., pretty big news. And that's really all that we have to worry about tomorrow. I'll do my best to call stuff out live when I see it. Sorry, my foot's itching. All right. Little Mind, I'm going to start as soon as I can. I'm actually... my schedule's been crazy at work, so like I just worked 4 days in a row, 4 12-hour shifts, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I think part of why I'm grumpy, anybody that works night shift, like it can be hard doing like 4 nights in a row. And then switching from nights back to days can be a little rough. And then I have, so basically I was just off Monday, which I, pretty much slept all day. And then I'm off today, and then I go back to work tomorrow, and then I work Thursday. But then after that, I'm off like Friday through Friday. So I'll try to knock out some videos then. I think though Friday, I'm actually kind of excited about this. Let me see if I can find it. So This Lights Out Extreme Fighting in Long Beach. My or one of the guys that trains at the same gym as my son is going to be on this card. His name's Corvan. So we're going to go, I think we're going to go get tickets and go watch him fight. I just lost my mouse. Where's my mouse? Oh, the joys of having 3 screens. I literally can't find my mouse. Oh, I think my mouse just died. Sorry, I need to plug in my mouse. Give me 1 second. The wire I used to plug in my mouse fell the other day, and I normally charge it like every Friday night. And since it fell, I was like, oh, whatever. And I didn't charge it. There we go. Now it's working. So kind of funny that they don't have his card, but where? This is, he's fighting, and he's a great dude. So I think we're gonna get tickets and go and watch him. He's hilarious too. Like this. Oh wait.
Oh, what's up, Corvan? You good?
Give me a second.
Let me get you some water.
Shut up.
You guys are about to crack up.
Can I make this quick? Okay. Lights Out Extreme Fighting, guys. Making my flyweight debut February 7th, Thunder Studios in Long Beach, alright? Make sure you come out, support your boy. It's gonna be awesome. And gonna get this dough. Right?
What was that?
He's near.
Who's near? Oh, shoot.
Over there filming them TikToks! I know you better keep on running! Better keep that training up! Keep that sweat! Oh. What's up, y'all?
What's up, man?
How you doing? Got some tickets, baby. So, come get yours. Millennium MMA. Alright? Better keep that sweat going!
Dude's funny as hell. It's probably funnier if you have more context, but he does he does skits where he acts like he's a crackhead. I don't know if you guys could see all the white powder on his face, but that was the crackhead version of him. So anyway, he's fighting. He's been on a tear too. He's on like a five fight win streak. So I think Friday we're gonna go check him out, which will be fun. And then on Saturday, our girl's fighting. Where is it? So Tatiana Suarez is fighting I'm gonna say her name wrong. It's John Wei Lee. It's not Zhang. John Wei Lee. And so Tatiana, she's a beast if you don't know her, but undefeated. She's only basically been defeated by like cancer or she wasn't defeated. She beat cancer, but she was taken out by cancer, and she also broke her neck and had some other injuries that like affected her ability to fight. But she's totally undefeated, and she's finally getting her chance to fight for the women's belt in strawweight, which is going to be sick. And then on the same card is Sean Strickland. So Tatiana also trains at the same gym as my son. And then Strickland, I don't know. Where do you find it? And by the way, I'm just blabbing right now. That way you guys have a chance to ask questions if you have any. Is this it? UFC 312? Yeah. So, on this fight card, it's I mean, at least the fights I care about, Sean Strickland, Dreykus, he used to train at the gym that my son trains at, and he's a stud. And then Tatiana still trains at the same gym as my son, and we're excited to watch her whoop on John Whaley. As far as everybody else, I mean, like, Textera is cool. I don't know any of these other people. I don't really follow UFC like I used to. But, yeah, so I'm excited this weekend. We're going to go check out Corvan's fight on Friday in Long Beach, and then Saturday watch the UFC fight card. And it's cool to, like, actually know people that are actually fighting. Makes it more entertaining. I don't see any questions. Jeeksters. I'm not in a bad mood half the time. I don't know, just I think the fact that I have to, so like normally, you know, I'll do like my 3 shifts in a row, or I'll do 4 shifts in a row, and then I'll have like a good, 4 or 5 days off. And I think just working 4 in a row, only having 2 days off and then going back is probably what's affecting my mood when I think about it. I couldn't figure out, and I couldn't place what was like making me grumpy, but I think that's what it is. Yeah. People in Discord, you guys have any questions? Yeah, I traded today. Pretty small. Let me just pull up my log. I had I took 2 trades, and it was like kind of stupid. My first trade, they were both in the same direction, and you can see they're 5 minutes apart. I got a little bit of a shitty entry on my NQ long, and instead of, my stop loss was really originally like a $300 loss, and I realized like after I got in the trade I didn't get the best fill or best entry that I was kind of looking for, and so I saw price chopping around. I thought it might go lower and actually hit like my $300 stop loss before it ran. So I closed a little bit early, and then when it did sell off, I hopped back in and went long. But I don't know. I'm a little bit annoyed with myself because we can probably figure out where this happened. But oh yeah. So it was right around here somewhere. I don't remember the exact actually, no, I'm sorry. It was around here. I don't remember the exact candle, but I think on this candle was when, or no, this candle was when I went long the first time, but I got like a crappy fill. And so then on this candle, I got back in and played it up a little bit. And then I closed early. And actually, no, I'm wrong. It was these candles here. It was these two. Because right after it happened, there was like a pretty big move. But what it was at the time, we were like above the initial balance on ES, but we were below the initial balance on NQ. And so that's what kind of like, after I entered the trade, that's what made me feel like, oh, like maybe we're not actually going to move up. Because I thought when I took the trade that we were above the initial balance on both, and we weren't. So anyway, I ended up just like deciding to just be good with my little win on the day, $135, and call it a day. Definitely not one of my better days, but I'm also not mad about the week, up 500. So yeah. Yeah, that's it. Hi, Kay. You're asking about premiums and theta, and you're using less buying power, between $20 to $50. The issue with that is the cheaper your contracts, the more, like, generally the further out of the money you're going to be, and the more your contract is going to get affected by the Greeks. Whereas getting closer to the money, which obviously costs more, you don't get affected by the Greeks quite as much. So, I mean, that's the best that I could tell you. Especially if you're doing 0 DTs, you want to be as close to in the money, without like spending too much on your contract price, if that makes sense. Yeah, Sarah, it can be pretty exhausting working in a hospital. Oh, and actually, I kind of have some cool news. Um, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it was here in the YouTube. I don't remember if it was here in the YouTube that somebody asked me, or made a comment like, "Oh, your patients must love you" or whatever. And I was like, actually, this family member, and I told the story, and it was so funny because I ran into the same family member, I want to say on Thursday night or Friday night, something like that. And she actually apologized to me. And she said, she was, I don't remember her exact verbiage, but something to the effect of like, she was extra sensitive because of what was going on with her family member. And she could see that I really care. And we had a really good conversation. We talked for probably about 30 minutes. And yeah, I was just telling her, I do the work that I do because I care about people. And it ended up being a really good conversation. So for whoever it was that said that, there you go. I'm still blabbing because I'm hoping somebody's going to ask some kind of question. But doesn't look like it. One thing we can talk about, I don't remember who said it, but I think it was right when we were around here on price. Somebody was talking about like puts or rejecting, and I said, no, we got to pour high up here. They're probably going to want to go up and clean it up. And that's exactly what happened. So just always make sure you're watching for, poor highs, poor lows, strong highs, strong lows. I'm wondering if I can see. Yeah. This was a pretty nice long here, or calls, based on fibs. Yeah, it looks like a P shape. Yeah, definitely a P. POCs at the top, but the issue is Google and AMD are going to affect the market with their earnings. Yeah. Are POCs and supply and demand the same thing? No, not really. I mean, I guess, but they're different. Richard Parsons, it's the first hour of the market open. I use this indicator, or is it right there? But so this initial balance by Noop Noop, and then you have to adjust the time period so that it prints on just the first hour of the market for you. Everybody's time is going to be different, but yeah. So the way POCs work is, let's look for a good example here. So right here, we have a Virgin POC. I'm pretty sure it was 114. We don't have any Virgin POCs at the top, just at the bottom down here. And if we go back more, there's probably some more. The issue is this will only let you go back, like a couple of months. But what you can do is hit the replay feature, and you can go back further, looking at session volume profile. So we have another Virgin POC here. What did I put for that other POC? I don't think I put the right date. Yeah. Was it January? Sorry, and I'll explain this in a second, but and then we have another one here. There's one here as well. I'm going to stop drawing them at this point, but October 7th. There's another one here, September. There's another one here, September 12th. There's going to be more back here, but I'm going to stop drawing them now. But so basically what happens is virgin POCs act as magnets for price. And so if you have more virgin POCs on the bottom, most likely price is going to get pulled down. If you have more virgin POCs at the top, most likely price is going to push up. Not always true. It's not like a hard, fast rule. But POCs, the virgin ones, they act as like a magnet for price. And basically the distinction between a virgin POC and a non-virgin POC is if it's been touched after it was formed. So if I turn that off, from here to here is where the POC was being formed. Sorry, I'm going to zoom in. So as long as price, after, again, after it's formed, and this doesn't apply to pre-market or post-market, but after it's formed, as long as price doesn't come down and touch it and then go, or break through it and go lower, it remains a virgin POC. As soon as it gets touched by price after it was formed, it will no longer be a virgin POC. So I'll try to show you guys examples of where they're getting touched. So like this one, for example, looks like a virgin POC because it's here and then price ripped up and didn't touch it. But if we come over here on Monday, February 3rd, we came down and we touched that level. Okay. So I don't really think of POCs as support and resistance so much, more so as a magnet for price. I think of value areas high and low as support and resistance. But occasionally you will see POCs act as support, and occasionally you'll see POCs act as resistance as well. Okay. SU, no, I do not use a VWAP 9 EMA crossover at all. Douglas, Val is value area low. So Douglas, if you don't understand, what like previous day VAL or previous day VAH, POCs, all of that stuff, then just go to my channel and search for volume profile, and we'll have a class on volume profile that you can watch. It'll take hours, for me to teach it, so I can't really teach all of it. Alrighty. I think that's gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna apologize to you guys that my energy is like, I can feel it, and I'm sure you guys can feel it on the other side. But I didn't want to miss another day of doing videos for you guys, so just trying to force myself to plug through it. I mean, honestly, like, I had to pretty much force myself to make this video. So, not that I don't like hanging out with you guys, just not feeling it today, Yeah, so with that said... Oh, okay. Cool, Douglas, yeah. Value area low. So like PW is previous week. VAL is value area low. VAH is value area high. PD would be previous day. PW previous week. For months, I put the actual month. Yeah. So that's what those are. Yeah, David, pretty soon here I'm gonna be cutting out and taking my son to the gym. He's got his boxing class, and then kids advanced jiu-jitsu, and then adult advanced jiu-jitsu after that. So we'll be there for a good 4 hours, I think. Yeah. So as always, thank you everybody to the subscribers. Appreciate you guys interacting and talking. Extra big thanks to the friends of the stream. And if you're new, I wouldn't expect you to hit the subscribe button. It was a pretty low energy video. You should just deuce out and find better content. I'm joking. The good place to learn. I know the energy's not there today, but this is a good place to learn if you're interested in trading. Definitely will never be a professional YouTuber. It's never going to be like high quality with good lighting and all of that stuff. But we do teach, all the good stuff about trading, and it's not hidden behind paywalls or anything like that. So we're not selling courses. We're not selling Discords. Yeah. With that said, much love, much respect. Peace out, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow, okay?